वो डिफिकल्ट था या बस आसानी से आ गया सबको?
Okay, I'm trying to put this in the right way. So, people would watch a lot of videos on social media, and they have this perception that he might get angry.
Yeah.
ఆచి కారం పొడి అదరగొట్టే కారం రంగు రుచి ఆచి కారం పొడి
No, he is real. So I have told this to people. With a lot of people you see in this industry, you don't know. They might say something to you, and they might be thinking something else in their head. With this person, with this human being, it's out there. It's real. What he feels, he shows, and that's it. So I feel that is best, and that's much easier.
Right.
Now, he has never gotten angry, and I have. So the last, which event was it? One launch the in the theater we launched the song, and after that a lot of memes came. It was really funny. I enjoyed watching. So in the flight I kept showing everything to him. See, this is so nice. This is so nice, and we both laughed together, and that's it.
Yeah.
And then two things. I mean. My first memory, the first day I saw him, we were supposed to take a private flight for an inauguration that we were supposed to do together.
Okay.
And the previous day, I was flying from somewhere, and I had this sandwich from the airline. I was so hungry, and I fell sick at night. I had a food poison. Now morning, I'm in this space. No, I need to get ready. I need to go there to the airport, and I didn't know what to do, and I was so scared that I just wanted to show up on time. But then they called, no, sir is already here, sir is waiting, we need to take off as soon. I said, I don't know, I have to rush. I'm like, I just give me whatever medicine. I don't know if I faint or whatever, I'll just take that and I'll go. And then this is the mood with which I'm going. And I reach the airport, I see this person just got up from where he was sitting. He was talking. He was full on energy. Everyone was there. I think Lokesh Garu, everybody. He was like, yeah, his son-in-law, and yeah. And then he gets up from his place and he comes. Are you okay now?
Wow.
Okay. So that's it.
Right.
That's it.
Right.
I didn't have to explain that. How sick I was. There was nothing. He's just, you take care. It'll be like, have water. He's that. It's not anyone, coming and telling me, oh, why he was waiting here. Nothing. So I really, and very recently, there's something in the same flight, on some other flight, they were already boarded, and I was entering, and he asked me, like, where are you sitting? I said, I'm sitting on the same row. I'm sorry, in the third row. And he's like, why? He didn't even think. He took his bag. He asked our director, sir. He said, no, we both will go sit in the third. Let her sit here.
Wow. Wow.
And I'm like, what will I do with 2 seats in the front row in business class? Like, what do I do with?
Right.
No, you sit here. You sit peacefully. You sit here. And he took him and he just left.
Right.
And then we had to, ask him to please come. I'm like, so that's him. So these are the things that will never come on social media.
Right.
Social media will be like all those videos, but trust me, that's what the fans want from him. So then I noticed one thing. So he will ask the audience, his fans to keep quiet when they start talking. They intentionally do it. In the last event, when somebody was talking, they are like, Jay Balaya, react, now scold us. That's their audience want that. So audience love him for what he is, and I think that's the best thing. You don't have to be anything else. You're loved for what he is, and that's it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You were saying something.
कभी ऐसा होता है हाथ से कभी एक मंदिर है, चलिए मंदिर में भी आ गए फैंस। मंदिर एक ऐसा जगह है जहां पर बस भगवान ही भगवान है। बस हो गया दर्शन, बाहर आए, पैर पे पड़ते मेरे, तो दैट इज वन कॉल्ड यू कांट एस्केप फ्रॉम इट वन थिंग, बिकॉज हाउ मच एवर यू टेल देम, वो अपने हाथ से पार हो जाता है देखते ही, बिकॉज लाइक दे यूज्ड टू सी फादर, दैट ऑरा, आई थिंक सो।
I know.
There's a lot of hard work behind that aura. It's not just a joke. I know that. I experience it every time. When I get up early morning at 3 o'clock, I do my exercises, then I do एक घंटा उसके ऊपर 2.5 घंटे पूजा करता हूँ, ये सब. So this is when they like fall on in the temple. I'm talking about in the temple. And then I get angry. Then I want to teach them. What does our Dharma say? Dharma says, see, it's your God. That is your father and mother. अब टेम्पल के बाहर आप मुझसे कुछ बैन हैंडल भी डू एनीथिंग कुछ भी कर लो मेरे से लेकिन नॉट लाइक दैट जब मेरे को गुस्सा है
ఆచి కారం పొడి అదరగొట్టే కారం రంగు రుచి ఆచి కారం పొడి
because what I do I should not only act in movies but I have to preach it in practically in real life.
थैंक यू फॉर सेइंग दैट सर
हाँ.
कि इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं आप लोगों को एंड यू आर यू नो द पीपल हु पीपल लुक अप टू
जी, जी.
और बिल्कुल बहुत सही बात आपने बोली कि मंदिर के बाहर नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से दिस
अरे बिल्कुल कितने मंदिर के
अच्छा
अंदर.
लगता है पूजा हो रही है मेरी
हाँ.
सो that's
So
beautiful.
yeah, that little bit. I think what that way I do is right.